True strength lies in vulnerability. Learning to open up and be vulnerable takes courage, and it's a strength, not a weakness. The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Embracing change and focusing on our thoughts and reactions is key to living a fulfilling life. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Obstacles can be opportunities for growth and creative problem solving. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Consistency and persistence are essential for achieving excellence. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Our thoughts shape our character, so it's crucial to cultivate positive and empowering thoughts. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Humility and recognizing the limits of our knowledge are essential for growth and learning. The greatest wealth is to live content with little, appreciating what we have and finding contentment and simplicity is a key to happiness. Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. Letting go of grudges and forgiving ourselves and others is essential for inner peace. When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly. They are like this because they can't tell good from evil. Preparing ourselves for the challenges of interacting with others can help us stay patient and compassionate. The universe is a unity made up of complementary opposites. Embracing contradictions and finding balance in life is crucial for inner harmony.